If you need roofing work carried out in Coon Rapids, Advanced Exteriors can help. You can find out more about when to get inspections, how often to get your roof checked, and more in their new guide. A roof repair may cost anything from $400 up to $1,400 depending on the contractor and the condition of the roof. Repairs may start at $400, but a new roof might cost anything from $5,000 up to $30,000 for a 2,000 square foot home. The Advanced Exteriors new roof inspection service can save property owners money if they follow the simple guide. Get in touch today to discuss your project needs. Contact us at advancedexteriors.com.